Hello everyone. I am going to present my new social networking website, Freakle. I have developed this website using Django Web Framework and I have used Python as a backend programming language and I have used HTML, CSS and Bootstrap in the front end. It used SQLite database which comes in default in the Django Web Framework. I use Media Query to make website responsible so that it has different look on a large screen or as well as a small screen. It look like this on a small screen and it look like this on a large screen, and this sidebar will be closed in a small screen. If you are not logging, it will direct you to login page, and if you don't have any account, then you can simply create account by clicking on sign up page. You will enter your any random username if you like, and you can enter the same password again. If you sign up it you will be logged in and you can save your password, and on the home page it will show various options like feeds, share your posts, your messenger, your chat, things to be do. Don't forget your priority. These are links to the various options provided through this website. By going to feeds you can see someone else post, and you can add a particular post if you like by going to share your post. If you can add a post like um, memes description, you can skip, and can choose image like I choose it from my computer. You can choose if you are on mobile you can choose from your gallery. You click on open and click on add post. Your post will be visible to everyone, and you can delete your post if you like. If someone like your post, then his username will be displayed and the number of person that have liked your post will be shown. I cannot like my post, but I can delete my post. Another important feature provided in this website is messenger. Using this you can send a message to particular person, or and you can read conversation. Suppose I click on send message, I enter a particular username. The username must exist if you want to send message, otherwise it will give you error. Basically it will redirect you to same page showing that username does not exist. And I send message, hello, how are you? And this particular message will be shown to that username to whom I have sent this message, and it is showing time at which I have sent this message. This is basically conversation page which is present from here. It can also be another important feature provided is to-do list. In to-do list you can maintain you first add it to your to-do list like things to be done. Currently you don't have any to-do list because you have not created anyone. You can create your to-do list by going on create button. You can add title like make a COVID website, add city COVID data. You can mark it as completed, important, and save it, and this will be visible in your current to do. You can edit your current to do by clicking on it, and you can edit it or you can mark it as completed. This particular task has been achieved. If you mark it as completed, it will be removed from your current to do and it will be visible in your achieved. If I come to home page from as well as enter upload your resume, all fields are provided here are optional, and you can after a click save your profile will be updated and anyone else can see your profile, and they can also send message to you using your profile. Suppose I go to home page, I search for a particular person. If that particular person has filled his profile, only then you can see his profile. I click on search user. Then the particular person Prasant has filled his profile. That's why his profile is using his profile, like Prasant, how are you? What are you doing? This message will be visible in Prasant conversation, which is provided by this website. Let me show how this website works. This website consists of mainly four apps. One app is Messenger, another is Post, another is Profile, and another to-do list. Any particular app perform its distinct task, and these apps are designed to perform in any app. It consists of view.py, urls.py, models.py, and forms.py. If you create any app, you first need to add into settings.py. I have added all those app in settings.py. Else I comes to l.py. What it is showing that whenever you enter any particular URL, it will call a particular function which is present in view.py. If I go to view.py, which is present in if I go to view.py and go to that particular function update profile, this function is present here, and this @login required is showing that you cannot update your profile, at least if you are not logged in, because which in where you will save your profile. um, if you request, there are two methods of sending data here. One is get. If you send method request through get method, then you will be if you click on update button, then all your data will be sent here, and this method will be through post, and the data will be saved into database, and you will be directed to home page, and all your data will be saved in database. If there is any error, then you will be directed to this template.py contain all the web pages that are present. Another important page is models.py. Models.py contains all it basically is a class which show what fields are present in the object which are present in this database of profile info. When I save any data, it will be saved in the form of object, and that particular object will have these particular fields. Another important feature is another file is forms.py. Forms.py basically, as it can be interpreted by its name, it contains all those fields which you want to show on user interface.